everyone, welcome back. This is Aparna. Hope you all are doing great. So today I will be showing you guys how I crimp my hair at home without crimper. Let's get started, but before that I want to tell you guys it takes time. This hairstyle takes time. Yes, it's a time consuming process because आपको पहले partition करना है, then you have to make braids. So जितने लंबे बाल होंगे या जितने घने बाल होंगे उतना ज़्यादा टाइम लगेगा. Let's do the partition, and I want side partition, not front. Yeah. Now I'm gonna take this part first. So take some here. Then we want slightly wet hair for this process, for this hairstyle, so that is enough. So now I'm making braids. अब बस मुझे braids बनानी है. You have to do like this. Now take another section of your hair and again this part. Now another section of my hair, these left. So these are my flicks, so मैं इन्हें पहले braids बनाऊंगी. Again, let's start doing the same process. Finally, I'm done with my braids. guys, now I keep this overnight, and if you don't want to keep this for long, और अगर मतलब आपको overnight ये नहीं रखने हैं, so I have one more solution for this. What you all can do is you can put some heat on it. You can use your straightener or any dryer. Just this for 1 to 2 minutes and then take off your rubber bands and you're good to go. Now I'm gonna tie these braids together like this. And let's see how it's gonna look in the morning. So I will see you in the morning. Bye bye. Good night. Good morning everyone. So I woke up little late and I have to go somewhere, so now it's time to remove my hair ties. Let's see. First I will remove all the hair ties. So this is the final look. It looks amazing. और बहुत हैवी हो जाते हैं बाल, सो मेरे ऑलरेडी बहुत हैवी है. जिनके पतले बाल होते हैं तो उनके लिए ये हेयर स्टाइल बहुत सही है. Whenever I get bored with my hairstyle, I do this. If you also want hair like this, so give it a try, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye, take care and be safe.